guys, it's Chloe up here, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button now so you get started. So today I'm going to be unboxing two fidgets that I have wrapped up in some paper, so let's get started. I've just wrapped these up, by the way. I didn't just get new ones, because I did get two new ones today, if you didn't see the message I got on the web. So the paper's nice and good, and I got this. Hey, it's not even a good sound. There we go, now it's on a good sound. So should I pop it? Right then, now you get this. Oh. I got a Rubik's Cube. Okay, but I'm going to try and make this Rubik's Cube disappear. Can you see the Rubik's Cube through here? I'll get this t-shirt. This t-shirt's good enough. I got this t-shirt. Regular t-shirt, put the Rubik's Cube in there. You can see the Rubik's Cube. Well, you can't see it, but look. I'm going to vanish. Vanished. Look all over the t-shirt and shit. Dang it. She's a little bit too. It was supposed to go. It's actually squishy. Look at the actual squishy. I was trying to do another trick with this bag. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!